Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's so good to be here today. It is Tuesday, March 23rd, and I'm actually recording this on a Tuesday today, not pre-recorded, so you'll even see me wearing this. I got to tell you guys, you did such an amazing job with the field yesterday. It looks so much better, and it's going to last way longer. We're going to talk more about that in a minute, and also I've got another similar challenge for today. But please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance first. Stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, go ahead and have a seat. So here's the deal. I asked you guys yesterday if you could help with the rocks, right? Reminder, don't walk through the rocks unless you have to get somewhere. Never run in the rocks. It's not safe anyways. We don't want you falling all over. And then also on the field, here's the deal. You really got to do this one today. You have to stop running on the field. That came out weird. You can run while you're on the field, but you also have to stop your running while you're still on the field. So run on the field and stop on the field. If you have to go out of bounds, like to get the soccer ball, you need to walk over and get it, not run. If you're playing sharks and minnows, you know what you might do? Make the finish line a little bit closer than the end, or maybe you just have to touch the concrete on the end or something. But you can't keep running off the edge. That's what kicks all the rocks onto the field, right? So the field looks amazing. If you see any more rocks today, pick up a few more, but it looked so good at the end of the day yesterday. Another thing with the rocks, Mr. Duncan's out there blowing off the sidewalks. You're going to see them this morning. You'll be like, oh my goodness, the sidewalks look so clean. But if we don't help out, it's going to be a constant job, okay? So the main thing you have to do with the sidewalks is this. You could pick up rocks on the sidewalk. You don't really have to. Just walk on the sidewalks. Every time you go in the rocks, that's what kicks the rocks out. So just try to stay out of the rocks whenever you can. When you see Mr. Duncan today, that's the first of the 3 challenges. Okay, number 1. Just tell Mr. Duncan thank you, okay? He's been working really hard to make this place look amazing. So when you see Mr. Duncan, thank you. Job number 1. Job number 2. If you see something that's out of place on campus, can you please pick it up and throw it in the trash? I'm especially noticing around the picnic tables, there's starting to be some trash left after lunch, okay? Your area needs to look clean when you get up. So when you get up and you're ready to go play or go back to class, just take a look at your area. Anything that's around you, just pick it up and throw it away. If it didn't fall out of your lunch, that's okay. It probably blew off. You know what? Maybe some of your trash blew away one time and somebody else picked that up for you. We're all just going to pick it up. Just pick up your area. So challenges. Number 1, tell Mr. Duncan thank you. Number 2, pick up that trash. And challenge number 3, we need to take a little extra effort to keep our bathrooms clean, okay? Things you can do to keep your bathrooms clean. Number 1, just wash your hands carefully, right? Don't slop water all over the place. Number 2, when you wash your hands and dry them with paper towels, that paper towel needs to get in the trash. Anything you can do to make our bathrooms nice and clean, just do it. You don't need to clean the bathrooms. You don't have the gloves or the equipment that you need, but just don't make a mess in the bathrooms. Keep them nice and tidy. All right, 3 challenges. Tell Mr. Duncan thank you. Pick up trash. Keep those bathrooms nice and clean. Now, your discussion question for today is going to take a little bit of thought, but yesterday I just asked you to do something to help our school out, and you just did it. Like, there were kids that were just out there. They were having a blast. They were having fun. They were picking up rocks. That's not a normal recess. It's also, like, pretty amazing that you guys just heard me ask you to do something. And I know your teachers reminded you, and the yard duties, said it's time to do it right now. But you just did it. You just made it happen, right? An adult asked you to do something, and you just made it happen. So your discussion question for today is, what virtues does that show? Think of all the different virtues it shows when you do something like that. You help the school just because you were asked to do it, okay? That's not just a little thing, right? You're very connected and you care about Achieve, and that's why you did such a good job with that. 4th through 8th graders, name some habits of success that go with that. I'll tell you, there's quite a few. 4th through 8th graders, don't forget about the virtues. They're still important. So name some virtues that you showed yesterday. Have an awesome day, Achieve.